In the previous tutorial, we saw how to create an image using Packer. This is the image in the AMIs, and now we will use this image to deploy an instance using Terraform. So let's do that. I will copy the first 3 lines in here to install Terraform on my Amazon Linux. It says nothing to do because I have already installed Terraform. And now I will create a directory. I will name it Terraform project. Let's go to the directory, and inside of here let's create a main.tf, and we will copy this code and paste it in here. Okay, here we have the provider AWS. The region, my region is Virginia. My access key and my secret key. Here we are creating an instance with the ID server1. The image ID will be this image ID. Just copy the AMI ID from here and paste it here. And the instance type is t2.micro. The key name, this is my key. In here I'm tagging the instance with the name from image. Okay, let's save this file, and now let's do Terraform init. Perfect. Let's do Terraform validate. No errors. Let's do Terraform plan. Okay, everything looks perfect. Let's do Terraform apply. Okay, I'll type yes and we'll wait. It's done now. All we have to do is go back to AWS and check our instances. We'll look for from image. Let's refresh. We do have this instance made from this image, which is the AMI image that we made with Packer. This is it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.